सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल वीडियो सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चोयताय दुकुनु नमक छान संतोष असा. आमगेल या विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्डुआने हे मुकार्यान के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका like, share and subscribe कोरका.
Sassmidi. This is a very traditional pickle recipe which is very popular with us GSTs. This Sassmidi can be done with bimbul, birmikumbal and also with kumbal, star fruit. Since this involves no cooking, this can be made and used instantly. Take a sour mango, peel and chop into tiny pieces. Add the chopped pieces in a bowl. And add some salt. Mix well. Let marinate for some time. You can see it has let out water. Now take some mustard dal and crush in a mortar. You can use the regular mustard or these mustard dal. I am using this to add more color. Now add chili powder according to your spice level. A little hing too. Now mix well. Drizzle some fresh coconut oil over it. Keep for 5 minutes for the flavors to infuse. This will last for 2 days or 3 to 4 days if you refrigerate. Now enjoy with your lunch. Same way I made this Sassmidi with star fruit. As always, like, share and subscribe.